Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Juke. In this video I'll show you how to check live data from OBD interface. In the beginning, make sure that OBD interface is connected to the car, and next go to car scanner. I personally use the classic car scanner because it has most downloads. Enter live data, and here you can select between separate and combined. Separate charts are useful for monitoring parameters with different intervals of value. Combined chart is more convenient for monitoring parameters with similar range of values. Select it. And here you can check live data from chart. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.